In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to files in SharePoint document libraries or in Microsoft SharePoint on 2026 tutorial. If you've ever struggled to find the right document in a crowded library, adding tags, also called metadata, is the fastest way to organize, filter, and report on your files. In this walkthrough, we'll create a tag column right inside a SharePoint document library so you and your team can apply consistent labels with just a click. Start by opening SharePoint in your web browser and signing in with your work account. From the SharePoint Start page, head to the site that contains the documents you want to organize. Every site can have multiple libraries, so once you're on the site, open the Documents area to view the default library or choose the specific library you use most. At the top of the library view, look for the Add Column button. This is where you create the field that will store your tags. When the column type menu opens, choose either Choice or Managed Metadata. Choice is perfect for a simple drop-down with predefined options and optional colored labels, great for things like status, priority, or department. Managed metadata connects to your organization's central term store and is best when you need standardized tags that are governed across multiple sites. After you pick the type that fits your need, select Next to configure it. Give the column a clear, concise name that people will instantly understand. For a choice column, enter the options you want users to pick from, one per line, and choose whether they can select a single value or multiple values. You can assign colors to choices when available, add a helpful description, set a default value to speed up tagging, and decide if the column should be required. For managed metadata, select the appropriate term set provided by your organization, decide whether multiple terms are allowed, and consider disabling open tagging if you want to keep the list strictly controlled. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Save. The new column appears in your current view immediately, ready for use. If you don't see it, refresh the page or switch to a standard view like all documents. From here, you can start applying tags to existing files and any new uploads, and you'll be able to filter and group by that column to surface exactly what you need. That's it. Your library now supports consistent, easy-to-use tags that improve search, filters, and dashboards across SharePoint.